kayak, swimming at jet ski sa Cavinti, Laguna. Let's go! Dito lang yan sa Almost Heaven Lake Resort. At dahil lake siya, kaya kailangan pa nating magbangka. Yung boat ride nga pala, ay kasama na sa package na babayaran nyo.
Also known as Sierra Lake, Lumut Lake is a man-made water reservoir located in the towns of Cavinti and Lumban, Laguna. This lake was created when Lumut Dam, an embankment dam, was constructed damming the Lumut River, creating an auxiliary water reservoir for Lake Caliraya as part of the Kalayaan Pumped Storage Hydroelectric Plant.
Maganda yung lugar at eto na yon.
Description on their website, Almost Heaven Lake Resort, where serenity, adventure, and spiritual renewal meet nestled in the lush landscape of Cavinti, Laguna, overlooking the pristine lake and embraced by the mystical presence of Mount Banahaw.
Kayak nga pala ang unang activity. Pagkatapos kumain, ay ikutin muna natin ang resort na to habang hinihintay ang jet ski. Maliit lang naman to, kaya let's go! Okay, jet ski adventure na. Mali itong jet ski, hindi ito kasama sa package. Iba yung bayad dito. tara. Kaso bitin, hindi na pwedeng magpa-extend kasi sira pa yung jet ski. Kaya swimming na lang ulit. Ay siya, uwi na. At muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. At sana na may palike ng video na to at pasubscribe na din kung hindi pa. Thank you!